In this video, you will learn how to apply for a PayPal credit card in Canada. To apply for a PayPal credit card in Canada, you typically have two options. 1. PayPal credit line. First, log into your PayPal account. If you do not have one, create your PayPal account. Then, navigate to the PayPal credit. You can find the PayPal credit option in Pay and Get Paid section, or on the home page. Now, click on Apply Now. You'll be asked to fill in some personal details, such as your name, address, and income. Next, submit your application. After submission, PayPal will review your application and typically notify you about their decision quickly. The second option, PayPal Cashback MasterCard. Go to the PayPal credit card application page. Search for PayPal Credit MasterCard application form. Then, fill out the application form, providing all your personal details such as your name, income, and address. Then, review and submit. After submitting the form, you will receive decisions, usually within a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.